Assalamu alaikum to all of the viewers. Hope you all are fine. Again with a very useful topic by the name of ago. Now the definition is ago means before. It is used in the past tense. It is used to talk about how long before the present something happened in the past. Now let's learn the structures of ago, right? First we have to use a simple past tense. It can be an action or can be a state. And then after that we will use time expression, and at the end we will use ago, which means before, right? So in the simple past tense we can use some examples. For example, I took FELC class. One example in the action. And the state one is she was in Peshawar. Here we will use simple past tense. After that we need to use the time expression. So the time expression can be 1 month, 2 days, 4 hours, a week, and 7 days. For example, we will use the time expression here. Finally, at the end we will use ago. So my first example is I took FELC class 3 days ago. She was in Peshawar a month ago. Ago can be written and spoken in this way also. It means that it is the second structure of ago. First we have to use the time expression, then we will use ago with a comma, and at the end we will use a simple past tense. So it can be an action or can be a state. You will make examples, you will send that in the comments, and I will see that. Thank you so much for watching our videos.